Okay, thank you for following my videos. Right now I will show you how to manage BD forms. Okay, so the first step is go to Toolbox and click on Form Manager. On this column you will see the forms that you already have. So for example, we will edit this one, okay, the listing contact. This form is this one, the contact details form. Okay, when your members go and log in, and then they have the name, the company name, the position, the top level category, the address, city, country, etc. Let's go and add a new field here after last name. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so the first thing we will do is click here on add new field. So let's click and you will have the new field. Okay, so let's scroll down and we can move this field because we want it after last name. Perfect. Okay, so this new field will be called store name, for example. Store name. Oops, store name. And in the variable name, you can use the variable you want. Just make sure that you don't have the same variable in other form or in other field. Okay, just make sure of that, and you can use and you can invent the variable name you want. For example, I will use new store. Okay, new store. Perfect. In the field type, you can use here the checkbox. You can use this one, the text area. You can use the phone number, the website address, email address. Right now we can use the checkbox to explain you. After that, here you can add a description. For example, add your store name here. Okay, and let's save changes. After you save these changes, please don't forget to refresh the page again. Okay, so after we refresh the page, let's scroll down again, and here you will see the new field, okay, the store name. So if you want to add the checkbox, you need to add the options too, right? Don't forget to use the comma between the options. So for example, you can use pets, houses, cars, motorcycles, other. Okay, Control S or click on save. Let's refresh again. Scroll down just to check. Okay, here are the options that I already added, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so go again to the member dashboard. Let's refresh, scroll down, and after the last name you will have here the options that we already added. It is super easy, right? Okay, so let's go back again and we can add a new one. So for example, we will use your description. So you can use your description. So about the variable name, if you will use two words, please make sure to separate these words with an underscore. If you will use only one word, for example description, so use it as it is, okay? And don't use capital letters, because if you use them, this new field won't work properly. So in this field type, we will use the text input field. In the description, you will use add your description here, and we will put it required. This input means that this particular field will be displayed on this page, and this display means that this field will be showing on the member's profile. So let's click on Save Changes, refresh this page again just to check if everything is okay, and you have here your description. So let's go again to the contact details form and refresh. And now we have here your description. As you can see, it is required, and here's the text that we added, and your members can add the description here. Now I will show you how to change these images that you see here. If you want to change this image, please go to that specific image, right click, select the option Inspect Element, and here you will see that this image is under the folder Images, and the name is blog.png. So we will go to Google or in your desktop, and you need to rename the image or save it as blog.png. Okay, just make sure that this image is using the PNG format. Let's go back. Let's go to Toolbox, File Manager. You go to Images and upload the image. You see it, I have it here, blog.png. Okay, complete. Let's go back. Now we have the image here, right? Blog.png. So let's go back here and refresh the page. As you can see, I have the new image here, and of course you can select the size of the image you want, but this is a pretty easy example of how to change these images. You can do the same with YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, etc. Hope this information helps, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye!